Inglewood Schools is an interesting niche on the Front Range. We're just south of Denver Public Schools and just north of Littleton Public Schools. We have about 2,900 kids, but it is relatively diverse with regards to socioeconomics. So we had a $50 million bond. Part of that money was to build a brand new 7 through 12 campus. We talked a lot with parents, the community. We talked with business owners. We talked with kids about, hey, if we were to revision Inglewood High School, what might we want and what might we see? And of course, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics came to the surface very quickly. Most school districts don't have that skill set to build this from the ground up without a partner like Creative Learning Systems. We need a turnkey operation to bring that set of curriculum in for us to use. The Creative Learning Systems SmartLabs have absolutely brought both girls and minorities into the STEM fields in our high schools. What it's done for us is we've quickly realized that we want every single kid, every single student in Inglewood Schools to go through the Creative Learning Systems lab. We want kids that can collaborate. We want kids that can communicate. These are the kinds of things that the Creative Learning System labs requires of the kids when they're engaged in projects. The skills that I think that our STEM labs bring are those things that can be transferred to any job, into any college, into any pathway that a student chooses. These are real programs that prepare kids for the future. There's really shock and awe when the community sees the kinds of equipment that the kids have access to and the kinds of project-based learning that the kids are engaged in. There's lots of enthusiasm in the community to say this is what our tax dollars are buying, and this is exactly what we wanted from our public school. I don't think that we would be where we are right now without Creative Learning Systems.